To set up a basic transparent material in Cycles, obviously make sure you are first in Cycles. So that's Render Properties, Render Engine, Cycles. Select the object, Shading Workspace. Make sure a material is assigned. That's an image texture, principled BSDF, and material output. That will give you an image on the object. To this, add shader, transparent BSDF, add shader, mix shader. Want to connect these. So mix shader to material output, BSDF to shader input, BSDF to shader input. And there we have a basic standard material that's transparent. The transparency is controlled by the color vector. So black for opaque, white for fully transparent. Switching to rendered view should then display the transparent material in all views.